Hey guys, what's going on? It's Eddie from Money Chasing 101. Today I want to bring you a video about 3 investing strategies that I recommend during war times or economic downturns. But before we get into that, I just want to mention we're almost at 100 subscribers. I think we're at like 71 when I'm making this video. So I haven't been pursuing the channel like I need to grow it. But I do it, in my spare time when I have time and things like that. But yeah guys, so I want to get to 100, so please subscribe. Please like this video, please share if you have the chance. But anyways, let's jump into the video. So 3 investing strategies that I'm going to give to you that you can take during war times or economic downturns. So I know the North Korea thing has been going on lately. That seems to have been simmering down lately. I really never thought that would escalate into anything, but you never know what Kim Jong-un or whatever his name is. But yeah, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, so my first tactic or third investing strategy I recommend is defense stocks in the stock market. So you can go a different number of ways with this, but I brought 2 to you guys today. You got Boeing and you got Lockheed Martin. Boeing in 2011 was the 2nd largest government contractor. I'm not sure what today or last year was. I just saw this on a random website. They're in 2011, so they were the 2nd largest government contractor. They do strategic missile systems, they do laser and electro-optical systems, they do global positioning systems, and more importantly, they do F-18s, F-15s, Apache helicopters, and 50% of their sales come from the military. So you can see right there, if the war times or something like that, Boeing would be a great stock. Also, Lockheed Martin, in 2015, their arms sales total more than $36 billion. They do S-16 and F-22 fighter jets. They do Black Hawk helicopters. They do Vector Hawk unmanned drones, which I think this is going to be more and more. Air-to-air missiles and defense systems. In August of 2017, recently, they were awarded a $24.1 million contract extension for their F-35 logistics systems. So you see right there, guys, and military war times, these 2 stocks are great. You also have Raytheon, Northrop Grumman, BAE Systems, General Dynamics are also defense ETFs you might want to look into. So that's just a couple of stocks that are right there, and these 2 I mentioned because they're huge, guys. So that's my first investing strategy. Alright guys, so for my second investment strategy, I recommend investing in gold or silver or precious metals, but mainly gold because that's the most popular, right? So gold tends to run up during talks of war. So like recently, North Korea, blah, 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 gold tends to rise. When things start to calm down, it starts to go back down. Runs up during the beginning of military action as well. So maybe the first week or first couple of days of actual strikes or fighting, gold tends to run up as well. But interestingly, I found an article or some research saying that when we're actually at war for a long-term period of time, it's kind of steady. I mean, it might go up a little bit, but it doesn't go sharply up, right? And obviously, it'll continue to rise during bull markets. So what do you want to take from this is, in military crisis, also economic downturns, you can apply the same thing. Gold is a very safe haven to go to when there's economic downturns. A lot of people invest in gold or precious metals and things like that. So yeah, gold is my second investment strategy. Alright guys, so for my third investing strategy I have for you today, it's not probably going to be a heavy popular strategy, but it's a smart one if you ask me. Have heavy cash in your portfolio. What does that mean? Maybe have 50%, 60% cash, or even 40% cash of your portfolio when there's economic downturns or war times when the stocks are going down. So don't fully liquidate though. Don't fully liquidate all your stocks. Keep your long-term assets, keep your blue chip stocks that you're invested in, whatever you think those may be, or dump your short-term assets, right? If you made some money on it, if you got some profits on it, just take your profits and be done with it in a bear market. When the market hits a bottom, invest. Now that's easier said than done, right? It's hard to time the bottom, but bear markets don't last more than a year, maybe 2 years, if that. I mean, that's just how it is, and then usually stocks will bounce back. But yeah, you wanna find those bottoms to invest a heavy cash portfolio. Also, in a bear market or economic downturns, same thing, or war times, Invest in blue chips, good value stocks. Do your research, find good PE, reliable companies to invest your money in. Defense stocks, utility stocks, all good recommendations there. Also, this is kind of more advanced, but average down your stock prices. You could probably do a video about that by yourself. But basically what I mean by average down is just say you bought, 10 shares of stock A for $20, but then, bear market's in and the stock goes down to 14. Well, buy 10 more for 14. Then your average would be about, 16, 17.50 of your average stock price that you bought. And if the stocks keep going down and you want to hold that stock, buy more, your average price of the stock you bought will go down. Like I said, you could probably do a whole nother video about that. But yeah, so heavy cash portfolio is my third recommendation or investing strategy. There's a ton more out there, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, please like. Leave a comment below on any investing strategies that you may have, any critique you want to do in my video. I'm more than welcome. Hope you guys have a good weekend. Peace.